Come everybody make we join the line, celebration again, independent time. A 53 years since we get free, pop style make the whole world see.
The dances, the performances are really up to par. Everything is just running smoothly, and we are indeed having a great time this year.
I realize that a lot of work also went into preparing this, and I must congratulate the organizers of this evening's activity.
All right, me neighbor drink out. Down a country, me born and grow up. Me used to me do kuno me toto and me dread not and the jerk pan where some woke up.
The festival song finals on July 4 paved the way for a series of events leading up to August 6, or Emancipation and Independence celebrations.
Come everybody make we join the line, celebration independence time. A 53 years since we get free, pop style make the whole world see.
Ancient Priest's celebration time was a fitting choice to cheer on activities, such as the crowning of other ambassadors.
Who's there to remind her that with God things can change, and if she's lost he can find her.
Bring forth kings and queens from this woman. The 2015 Miss Jamaica Festival Queen winner is Miss Manchester!
Everybody make we join the line, celebration again independence.
The Ministry of Youth and Culture, through its agency, the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, JCDC, ensured that all was in place for the smooth rollout of the festival celebrations. The theme, Proud and Free Jamaica 53.
We're very pleased that we've been able to give the Jamaican public not only the best of the performing arts in music, dance, but also fashion, gospel, music.
When you come to Melagaron, you're guaranteed to have a good time.
Girls of the power! Power! Ready for the test! Strength of a woman! Boys of the strength, we don't settle for less. In everything we do, we reap success.
It's amazing how they can get them to perform in unison without slipping up. It's fabulous.
Melagaron is always a crowd pleaser, and you actually get to see the beautiful talent across the country. And every year the children get better and the youth get better.
She stop, she go, she stop.
The Jamaican culture was also kept alive through fashion, music and dance at the Independence Village in the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center.
All right. Whoa, yeah. Hey.
It's awesome, and it's just showing up the young people's talent.
If you just put your hand in mine, we're gonna leave all our troubles behind. The monkey is gone, but his dancing lives on, so everybody get jiggy and just party on.
For 6 days, the village was buzzing with activities.
It's my first time here, and it's a good experience for me. The turnout was good, the sale was good, everything about it was good.
The Independence Village experience was a wonderful experience, and I think persons appreciated it. And we had a wonderful turnout throughout the day. I mean, there were so many activities to do.
Over the last 2-3 years, we've really tried to hone it, perfect it. And what is good is that we've managed the resources because we've put everything in-house and made sure that we also showcase the best of what government agencies can do. So everything here is produced by the government of Jamaica.
Then the grand finale on August 6th.
This is a very proud moment for all Jamaicans. Jamaica 53. This is part of the pride and joy of all Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora.
This is Jamaica, my Jamaica, the land of my birth. We put the faith and the trust in the Father. Peace keeping us alive. So
certainly the festival songs that were performed would bring back memories of old Jamaica. The World Reggae Dancers did a very good job, I thought, of bringing in what the new culture is.
It's been a great grand gala so far. We made sure that this year we showcase it in a different way, more history, more audience interaction, and the Jamaica stage. There are a lot more new features, and I think the audience likes it.
And not only that, but they also rocked the bandana fashion, with a little denim, of course.
They can't keep a good man down. Always keep a smile when they want me to frown. Keep the vibes and I stood my ground. They will never ever take my crown.
This year, I love the theme, Jamaica 53, proud and indeed free.
All the activities truly represented the theme.
It really has ignited the country in a way, and that is what we really wanted, for people to really get a sense of our independence, but also a sense of our culture, feeling at home. We have some more surprises next year. We're actually in planning now for next year. Every year we've increased the expectation, and so you just have to wait and see again next year.
Come everybody, make we join the line, celebration again, independence.